Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gemma Baham. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to ring the bell of notification so whenever I have a new video, you are updated. So today we have here pork that I already cut into cubes. We are cooking it adobo, pork adobo. So first thing we do is to put this is already clean. Put some cold water, we boil it a bit. Rapid boil until all the dirt will come out. We'll put it here at the back stove. There. We will wait till it boils. There. That's what I'm talking about, the dirt that's coming out from the pork. So we will wash this in a sink after it boils. We'll just drop it in a strainer in the sink to wash it. You see, that's the dirt I'm talking about from the meat. So what we do is we drop it in the sink where we have some strainer there, and we rinse it very well. I already prepared my garlic and onions and some potatoes. I'll put some potatoes in it. There, it's boiling rapidly now, so we can turn it off. Carefully carry it to the sink and pour it in the strainer we have there. Rinse. Our pork is already clean. Let's drop it all in there. Onions, some garlic, black pepper. Since the pork is kind of hard meat, I put 1 cup of water here, and then we'll put some 1/2 cup soy sauce. This kind of soy sauce is less sodium, so it's okay to put a 1/2 cup in there. I'll put in 2 tablespoons of any vinegar. 2 tablespoons. I usually use brown sugar in cooking, but I ran out of brown sugar, so it's okay to use white sugar, tiny bit. Just one tablespoon. That's just estimation of 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I love to put a tablespoon of ketchup. That's heaping tablespoon. And some dark soy sauce to give a color. Just a tiny bit. Stir it all. And pour it in your pot. It goes all over there. Let's mix. I didn't put salt because we already have soy sauce here, and oyster sauce is salty. So just pour it all in there. Give it a stir. Turn on your heat into high heat. Let it boil until once it boils, just turn down your stove into low heat. Once we're cooking, just there's no exact measurement. We just start it into small amount of everything, and while in the process of cooking we can taste it and add whatever is needed, because your taste bud is always different with everyone, so you cannot follow all the measurements that they give you. Okay, like in my recipes I don't use salt, but if you want salt you can always put salt. That's what I mean. Our pot, or it's already boiling. I turned down the heat already into number 2, so we just let it sit there and simmer until the meat is soft. Or before, oh yeah, before the meat gets very soft, we have to put our potato inside. Just check the meat with fork, prick it when it's kind of tender. When you can feel it's close to getting soft, it's time to put your potatoes in. Okay guys, checking on our pork. You see, I can put on my potatoes now because it's kind of, they are the soft potatoes, easy to cook, so that's okay not to cut. It will get soft while the pork is getting soft too. I move the heat into high, let it boil before turning it back down. It's boiling, so we turn it down and let it cook, let it get soft. See, the whole potato I put a while ago, it became half. They're getting softer and softer. And the water is getting... I added some bay leaves in it that I forgot a while ago. There. It's getting cooked. And in this other pot, we're boiling broccoli in there. Water is boiling. We'll drop our florets of broccoli. Let it boil for 3 minutes. And it's done.